explanation, his introduction of this recommendation 5.1. Is the Commission now ready to move to a vote on recommendation 5.1? And if so, I now invite the Commission to take a vote on the recommendation made by WHO to delete cannabis and cannabis resin from Schedule 4 of the 1961 Convention. Let me remind the Commission that under the 1961 Convention, in accordance with Rule 58 of the Rules of Procedure of the Functional Commissions of ECOSOC, a simple majority of the Commission members present and voting is required. I now would like to ask the Secretariat to call upon the Commission members in English alphabetical order, starting with the delegation of Algeria. Each Commission member will be called. Please indicate your decision on the recommendation to delete cannabis and cannabis resin from Schedule 4 of the 1961 Convention by replying yes, no, or abstention. The vote of each member will be inserted in the record. Joe, please proceed with the roll call vote.
Algeria?
No.
Algeria, no. Angola?
No.
Angola, no. Australia?
Yes.
Yes. Austria?
Yes.
Austria, yes. Bahrain?
No.
Bahrain, yes. No. Burkina Faso?
Burkina Faso, no.
Burkina Faso, no. Canada?
Yes.
Canada, yes. Chile?
No.
Chile, no. China?
China, no.
China, no. Colombia?
Yes.
Colombia, yes. Côte d'Ivoire?
No.
Côte d'Ivoire, no. Croatia?
Yes.
Croatia, yes. Cuba?
No.
Cuba, no. Czech Republic?
Yes.
Czech Republic, yes. Ecuador?
Yes.
Ecuador, yes. Egypt?
Egypt, no.
Salvador?
Yes.
El Salvador, yes. France?
Oui.
France, yes. Germany?
Yes.
Germany, yes. Hungary?
Hungary votes no.
Hungary, no. India?
Yes.
India, yes. Iraq?
No.
Iraq, no. Italy?
Yes.
Italy, yes. Jamaica?
Yes.
Jamaica, yes. Japan?
Japan, no.
Japan, no. Kazakhstan?
Kazakhstan, no.
Kazakhstan, no. Kenya?
Kenya, no.
Kenya, no. Kyrgyzstan?
Kyrgyzstan, no.
Kyrgyzstan, no. Libya?
Libya, no.
Libya, no. Mexico?
Yes.
Mexico, yes. Morocco?
Yes.
Morocco, yes. Nepal?
Yes.
Nepal, yes. Netherlands?
Yes.
Netherlands, yes. Nigeria.
Nigeria, no.
Nigeria, no. Pakistan.
Pakistan, no.
Pakistan, no. Peru.
Peru, no.
Peru, no. Poland.
Yes.
Poland, yes. Russian Federation.
Russia, no.
Russian Federation, no. South Africa.
Yes.
South Africa, yes. Spain.
Spain, yes.
Spain, yes. Sweden.
Yes.
Sweden, yes. Switzerland.
Switzerland, yes.
Switzerland, yes. Thailand.
Yes.
Thailand, yes. Togo.
Turkey, no.
Turkey, no. Turkmenistan.
Turkmenistan, no.
Turkmenistan, no. Ukraine.
Abstention.
Ukraine, abstention. United Kingdom.
Yes.
United Kingdom, yes. United States.
Yes.
United States, yes. And Uruguay.
Yes.
Uruguay, yes. Thank you. Afghanistan.
No.
Afghanistan, no. Thank you.
Just give us a minute so that we can share the result with you. Honorable delegates, ladies and gentlemen, let me read the result to you. There is a total of 27 votes in favor of the recommendation, 25 votes against, with 1 abstention. So the recommendation is accepted. I declare the Commission has decided to delete cannabis and cannabis resin from Schedule 4 of the 1961 Convention. We now move forward.